After completing the initial data entry of a plan, advisors can use the stress test to help clients navigate a future filled with uncontrollable variables. Presenting a sound financial plan includes addressing some of the unknowns that a client may face in their future. The stress test tool can be found by opening a client's plan, navigating to the retirement area, and selecting the Stress Test subtab. Right Capital has identified several common factors which often contribute to a diminished retirement lifestyle and has modeled a stress test to determine a client's financial resilience to fluctuations in these categories. The stress test tool offers a simple, warm visual to help clients understand how their proposed plan may be impacted by specific stressors. The baseline bar graph on the left represents the probability of success as it stands within their proposed plan. The captured factors that Right Capital uses to stress this baseline plan are equity markets crash, taxes being higher, Social Security being reduced, longevity, increased inflation, and increased healthcare costs. Each of the captured factors acts independently from the next to illustrate a specific scenario within the client plan. To apply a stress test category to a proposed plan, open the action items at the bottom of the screen. Here, advisors can access the individual stress tests and manipulate them by dragging the slider bars to change the impact on the proposed baseline plan. Once a category stress has been adjusted, click Refresh, and Right Capital will apply the indicated stress to each factor and rerun the entire Monte Carlo simulation to recalculate the client's probability of success shown in the bar graph above. Our most successful advisors use the stress test as an effective element in putting a client's concerns at ease. This addresses the behavioral component of a sound financial plan. The stress test demonstrates a simplified sensitivity analysis to help identify areas of potential weakness within a proposal. Advisors can make recommendations to strengthen the plan within the action item notes area, which print directly on the report. The timing of stressors are applied as of today. For example, the equity markets crash is assumed to occur today. Then investments are assumed to grow as they would have in the baseline plan. Advisors can also show the effect of higher income taxes, lower Social Security income, and living beyond their planning horizon. There are also options to increase inflation and healthcare costs within the plan. Each variable can have specific action steps for a client to minimize risk within their financial future. As always, if there are any additional questions on accessing or utilizing the stress test feature, please reach out to the advisor support team on the bottom right side of the screen or search Right Capital support options within the Help Center.